Hey folks, back for another video. Still at my friend's place in Selma, Oregon. And I started a few more projects. I'm almost done with the gas-powered table saw. I had to order a part for that. But let me show you what I'm working on now. Alright, so this is what I'm working on now. It's a electric-powered compressor. And all the other parts are right here. I had a hone. It was frozen up. One of the cylinders was, or both of them. So I had to take it all apart. There's the crankshaft right there. The pulley for the belt. And all the other parts associated with this machine. But I had to hone out these cylinders. They're done. I'm waiting for gaskets to come in for this part here to attach to the part underneath it. The motor was giving us problems at first, but we just let it keep on running. Probably had a little rust in there, and it seems to be working fine. So I'm just waiting on the gaskets for those, and I'm waiting on him to bring the pistons back, to put them back in. This is one of the two extra projects I was doing. And this one here I also fixed. Needed a new carburetor and a capacitor. And once I got it running, it was the reason why it wouldn't run. Well, I think it was jammed up, but the reason why it wouldn't run or start before is because the oil level was way too low. And it sensed that, so I disconnected it just to get it running. And so it's running and producing power now. The capacitor is inside there. Let me show you the capacitor. Alright, so there's the capacitor right there. I measured it, or tested it, and it was only at 9, and it's supposed to have been at 30. I don't know, microfarads, I guess you'd say. But so I ordered that, put that in, and it produces power now. I also had to get new tires for it. What else did I do? Oh, had to get a new recoil because it was broken. But it runs great now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down then. And also hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notifications of when I have a new video upload. Also, check the description if you want to contact me. It's also got a link in there for my website. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so anything you buy on Amazon through my links, I get a small percentage of, very small. But anyhow, thanks for watching and have a great day.